How to create Sankey diagram by VisioChart in Microsoft Excel. Click on the Add-ins button. Click on the More Add-ins button. Click on Sankey diagram by VisioChart. Click Add button to add Sankey diagram. Go to Data and Properties. Select All Sample Data. Click on the Properties. Open Node Labels property. You can apply bold setting, change font family, size, and % precision. Open Node property. Change width and padding. Open Flow property. You can use different link color options and flow opacity from drop-down. Open Sorting Options property. Change node sorting and flow sorting. Open Level Labels property. Change color, font family, and position. Click on Download button and download Sankey diagram to SVG.